Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an evening snack recipe. Chicken stuffed chili pakora. Let's see how to make that. Here I have taken 2 chicken breasts. I cut them into lengthwise like a long strips. Now we need to marinate this with some ginger garlic paste. Here I am using 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon of chicken masala, half teaspoon of garam masala and salt. Mix well and keep the marination for 10 minutes. Cook this by adding 1 tablespoon of oil. Chicken pieces are cooked well. Allowing this to cool for a while. Here I have some long green chilies. I'm going to remove the seeds from inside to make it less spicy. It's better to use gloves while removing the chili seeds because it gives a burning sensation on our hands. Stuffing it with chicken pieces. All stuffed chilies are ready to deep fry. To give a nice crispy coating for this chili, I am using 2 cups of besan flour, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon of asafoetida, half teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, little bit of salt. Add water little by little and make a thick batter out of it. Batter is ready. Dip each chili in this batter and coat it well. Deep fry this until it becomes crispy. These chili pakoras are ready. It's a very good evening snack. Serve it with some tomato ketchup. Thank you for watching. See you soon with another recipe. Until then, bye-bye. Chicken noodles cutlet. So let's see how to make that. First we need to boil some Maggi noodles. So noodles are cooked well. I'm going to drain water from this and keep this aside. Heat a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated up, adding some finely chopped green chilies, ginger and some finely chopped onions. Saute it well until it gets slightly cooked. Adding some beans, finely shredded carrots, for masala I am adding some chili powder, chicken masala powder, garam masala, Instead of chicken masala, you can use the same Maggi masala, but I like the flavor of chicken masala, that's why I'm using this one. Mix well. Adding cooked and mashed potato. And some cooked and shredded chicken. Finally, I am adding cooked noodles. Gently mixing it. Let it cool well, and after that we can prepare cutlets out of it. Take some portion out of the dough, shape it like a cutlet and dip this in an egg wash. Roll it on the breadcrumbs. Prepare all the cutlets like this. Refrigerate this for 15 minutes and after that we can deep fry this. Fry this until it turns into brown color. Cutlet is ready here. Do try this recipe and let me know your comments. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon with another recipe. Until then, bye bye.